Hey, surprise! So I'm on tonight, like really late after my kid has gone to bed, um, because I got my package from Kronski today, and I really want to spin on my wheel with, you know, a fixed Footman. So I'm just doing a quick video, and if you don't catch this live, don't worry, I'll share it to the page, and I will definitely put it on YouTube. But I wanted to show you how to replace the Footman and the treadle connectors on your Kronski Sonata. So this is what the Footman is. This is the piece that connects the treadle to the wheel. And apparently there is a design difference, which I did not know about. And I have the old style Sonata Footman, and I guess that they tend to fail. So that might be why I was having a problem. Could have been the storage, but could also be this slight design flaw. So they've actually changed the Footman a little bit, and if you look, you can kind of see right here there's a washer on the screw. So there's the screw side, and there's a washer on this screw. So I'm going to take this apart, and I'm going to take my wheel apart and talk to you guys and fix my wheel so that you can see, if you happen to have a Sonata, how to do this. It's very simple. I mean, there's just a couple of screws we have to take out, and then hopefully my wheel will spin better. I'm also really excited too because these treadle connectors are so soft and supple, and mine are like old and stiff and they really don't work anymore. So I'm really excited to put my new Footman on and like rejuvenate my wheel. That's what it's going to feel like. So I'm going to turn this around and show you what I'm doing. So here is my Sonata. This is the part that we're replacing, and I have two of them. This is the back Footman, this is the front Footman. And so here you can see, you know, this is the piece that we are replacing. And it's really easy to take these apart. There's just a couple of screws. There's one here, and then down here there's another one. So let's see if I can set this up, maybe. Cross your fingers so that you can see what I'm doing. And yeah, I know it's like this surprise late night video. We never do these late night videos, right? So I suppose I can push that down. Now it's more in line. So take out this screw, and I've already taken these out once. So I have a little experience with it, but there we go. And I should actually take the opportunity to clean this. Let me grab a baby wipe at least. This is not ideal, but I've got a baby wipe. I didn't even think about that. But I'm gonna clean, oh yeah, clean this all out too. Boy, that'll make my wheel a lot happier, won't it? We talked about cleaning. Look at all this is old oil coming off there. But there's that one. And then, let me see, can you see down at the bottom? So this one, I don't know if you can see this, but here, there's a screw here that has to come out too, right here. And I want to make sure I've got, see this one might be harder to get out. And it might not be, I might have issues with this one, we'll see. Oh no, it's gonna come, maybe. I might not have quite the right screwdriver to be doing this one. Okay, let me grab the other one. See if this one will come loose down here. Oh yeah, that one's gonna come. I'll get my other one anyway. So, I don't even know if you guys can see this. Hopefully you can. See if I bend that. There we go. So, I'll figure out my other one here in a minute. At least I have that one undone. So this is that connector. Ah, there, pop that one loose, right? So these guys are gonna come off, and I'll push that back up. Oh, look, there's Marshmallow. He decided to join us. I don't have quite the right size screwdriver for this job. There's something. When you're trying to fix your wheel and you're doing a live video, make sure that the screwdriver you have is the right size for the job that you are doing. Ha ha. Ha ha. Okay, there, I got this one all the way off. So this one, you can see it does not have, let me pick this up, does not have the washer in it. There there. Does not have the washer in it. So this is the old style right here. And I didn't even know that there was an old style. I didn't know that I had the old style Footman. And this guy was still okay, but because I'm putting one new Footman on, I'm just going to replace both. So yeah, look, my poor wheel looks so naked. Isn't that entertaining? Okay, it's entertaining to me. So anyway, I'm going to replace both of them. Hopefully I can get this other screw off. And again, I'm going to go in here and just clean this all up because, you know, I have the opportunity. It's not very often that you take all the pieces apart. I would not usually recommend a baby wipe, but it's what I had on hand really fast. So that's going to help a lot. And then, sorry, this is all like weird. Okay, hold it down in here and let's see if this will. Oof, this is a hard screw. It does not want to come loose. Does not want to come loose. Now, the other thing is that when I go to put my new Footman on, I don't know if you can see this. Probably not, but it does stick out a little bit on the back side. So I have to make sure that I push my Footman through, and then I put, I don't know, what is that? 1/4 of an inch to 1/2 an inch of my treadle connector down through that treadle. And you can see like how stiff these are in comparison to the new ones. Oh, it'll be so nice. It'll be like having a brand new wheel. That's what it's going to feel like. Okay. Come on, little screw. And I'm trying not to lose these small screws because I have to reuse them. I'm also trying not to strip them for the same reason. Because that would be bad. Don't strip your screws. Okay, see if I got enough. Oh, yeah. Yeah, there we go. All right, nice. Ah, there. Okay. Oh, my goodness. Okay, there's my old ones. And, oh, look. Look at all the gunk in this one. Look at all the gunk in that one. See? Really not doing well. A lot of wear on that one. Yeah, that was bad. It's no wonder I was having troubles keeping that brass connector in there. All right, let's put the new ones on. So the new ones, here, I'll turn it around and chit-chat with you while I prep this. Ah, yes, I have a baby. I have a lot of Huggies in my house. So I'm really excited, that that my Footmen are going to be all like happy again. And I have to make sure that I don't lose my washer when I do this. So I'm holding that in on one side. Yeah. Ooh, and ooh, fancy. It's like a nut instead of just a screw. Oh, actually you know, I think it's just going to sit in there. Nice. So nice. So now, okay, now the only thing is, let's see, I'm going to turn this back around. So, and I've put you up on the stool, so hopefully that's a good angle. So, I think I want to do the back first. So I'm actually going to rotate this kind of up into position so I can see what I'm doing better. And I want to make sure when I put this on, there we go. You just sort of slide it into position, and you do want it to hug that brass ring, and that looks pretty good. So we're just going to take the little bolt, make sure that my little washer doesn't fall out, and then make sure it's all, I'll show you what I've done. I just made sure that this is situated in there nicely. And I'm just going to tighten this screw now, and you can see the washer still over here on this side. I'm just going to make sure that that doesn't fall out. We'll get it all replaced. Oh, it's like I said, this is going to be like a brand new wheel. It's going to feel like a whole brand new wheel. Oh, good. And I felt it engage. It feels pretty good. Now, if I have issues with this after I spin on it for a little bit, I can adjust this a little bit because I can just loosen this and reattach it. And the other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just pop this through. And, okay, this does not want to go through. This is not the fun part. That's an elastic treadle connector down through my treadle. Maybe I should have attached this first. That might have been smarter. Okay, next time I do this, do the treadle connector first. Oh, it does not want to go. Oh, actually, how far in is that? Hang on. I gotta see. Don't think it's in quite far enough. Actually, that treadle sits pretty high. Oh, that's because it's up, though. Okay, I'm gonna get my treadle connector all the way down in there. I feel weak right now. I feel very weak. Clearly, I'm not working out enough. Ooh, I can feel it down in there, though. And you know what? I would like it to stick out more. So let's see if we can push it down through. I know, but you never thought you'd be watching this. There. Get that to loosen up. Come on. Almost there. Just not quite through enough. A little bit more. Nice. Okay. Getting there. Okay, let me see where that sits. Oh yeah, definitely not high enough yet. So what I'm doing is I'm checking. I pushed my, whoop, I just pulled it out. I was pushing my treadle all the way down because I want to see, you know, where this goes at its lowest point. So I definitely want to make sure that I push this all the way through. Okay, so I'm going to hang on to that for a moment. Let's see if trying to put it in first works better. Either that or, of course, this one will just go in easier. Oh, yeah. I think that was a better idea. Push that through first and then attach. We'll find out. This is going to be awesome. I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait. I'm like so excited. Cannot wait to spin on my wheel once it has happy new treadles. Well, treadle connectors. Of course, the treadles are the same. And I just ordered these from Kronski. Like, we can order anything from Kronski. Getting there, getting there. Oh, and I have this on the wrong side. Okay, now I regret that decision. Pull it out, try again. Of course, maybe it'll go in easier because I've already forced it in once. I don't know. Oh, and my new head for my flyer came, the new magnetic flyer. So I know I said I was going to unbox it, but I went ahead and unpacked it and I read the directions, and then I'll put it together live with everybody when we do that. Wednesday? Yeah, I think Wednesday. So anybody have questions about what I'm doing? Are you like curious why I'm trying to shove this plastic piece through my treadle? Because I'll reiterate, this is my treadle connector. Oh yeah. Now we're getting somewhere. Now we're getting somewhere. And see, this will be here. That needs to be a little bit further through. So part of the reason that I need it a little further through is that I need to make sure that my treadles don't hit the floor when I'm pedaling. So I don't know if you can see, I've moved my treadle up. I don't think you can see this. See, now it's poking through a little bit, but I need just a little bit more. I need a little bit more than this. So I'm just trying to shove that through. I may actually have to take my other, Footman off. And, oh yeah. Push that one through more. And then reconnect it. But, you know, I didn't really see a video on the internet about how to replace the Footman. It's not difficult. I mean, it's a pretty simple process. That's looking decent. I think I'm going to test it. All right, let's see if this works. See if this works. I might have to shove it in more, but I'm just going to undo this screw. And remember, I'm making sure that that washer does not fall out. I guess it's technically not a screw. I think this is technically something else. I don't know. I'm not great with tools. Oh yeah, fits nice. Could definitely still be in a little further. Hold that washer in. Make sure it's situated right. Tighten her down. At least that's connected nicely. That looks better. And look, it doesn't look black. That's so nice. Doesn't look black. Yeah, I know. Okay, so we're getting there. We're getting there. Okay, I'm going to keep working on this, but I'm not going to bore you all by staying online. I will definitely be showing you my fully attached. Look at this. So different. See how soft and flexible this is? Look at how stiff this guy is. Soft and flexible, super stiff. So if you're like having trouble with your Sonata especially, it might be just time to replace the treadle connectors. Look at how stiff my poor treadle connectors are, you know? I didn't use them for 4 years. They were all folded up. I probably should have just replaced these straight up. Yeah. And this is how much has to stick out below the bottom of the treadle, just that much. And then this is where the screw goes in. So just that little bit right there, not too much. I'm going to keep working on this. I'm so excited to spin on this. And I'll show you guys the new magnetic flyer head, and I got an extra fast whirl, and I got some new bobbins. So I'll show you the difference between my original bobbins and the new bobbins, and we'll talk about all that on Wednesday. And don't forget to go enter the giveaway. So I do still have that giveaway going on, and all you have to do is comment on Monday's post. That's it. Make a comment. Just let me know you're out there, or on the YouTube video from Monday as well. Either way. And yeah, and I am giving away a copy of my Hoppy Feet book and a skein of yarn. I actually went and got the skein of yarn. It's going to be a skein of ryeberry, and it's beautiful. It's blues and greens. So yeah, if you want to be entered in the giveaway, do make sure that you go, just drop a little comment. Any comment will do. Hi works. Either on Monday's Facebook post or on the YouTube video. So anyway, I'm going to keep working on this, because who would have known that it was so hard to shove that treadle connector through your treadle? But I'm going to keep working on this, and I'm going to make it like, it's going to be like brand new. It's going to be like brand new, and I'm so excited to show you guys what it looks like and talk about like the difference in how it treadles. And I'm telling you, if you have a Sonata and it's not treadling very well, it might be time to replace those little pieces, those Footman connectors. Just a simple fix, a very simple fix. It's gonna, and like I said, replacing my Footman. I mean, look at this poor sad Footman. Yeah. It's gonna be so much better. It's gonna be so much better, and I'm so excited about it. Anyway, all right. So I'll see you guys on Monday. Don't forget that Tina is going to be on tomorrow in the afternoon, and I think she's talking about dyeing and the t-shirt thing, and I don't even know what else she's gonna talk about, but it'll be fabulous. Oh, and if you didn't catch her video last Friday, she did a really cute pumpkin video, like a needle felted pumpkin. So maybe go give that a watch, and pick up a kit if you're interested. We have them on the Black Sheep website. But grab a kit and make a cute little felted pumpkin. So anyway, I'll see you guys on Monday. Bye.